Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create your own cartoon style profile photo for free using an app called ToonApp. It's super easy, quick, and works perfectly on both Android or iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, just go ahead and install ToonApp if you don't have it yet. You can install it from the Play Store. And then next, once it's downloaded, just open the app and the app looks will be like this. Like like this. And then now in here you will see the home page of ToonApp. Here you will find different cartoon styles and templates like this. And then to make a cartoon profile picture, just scroll down and look for the options or sections that says that called profile pic. This one. Just tap on it. And then in here just select your photo that you want to transform into a cartoon style profile picture. You can just make sure to pick a clear photo with a good lighting because it will help the app create better result. And then after that, once you upload your photo, ToonApp will automatically detect your face like this. And after that, just tap on create cartoon. And okay, like this in just a few moments for the process to finish. Just there you go, you will see your cartoon versions appear on the screen like this. After that, you can customize it a bit, like for changing the background like this. You can choose the one background that you like. And then you can choose any background. In here, there are several backgrounds like this. Just choose that you like. Feel free to choose it. Like this, and then if everything looks good, just go ahead and tap on save button or checklist button, and your cartoon profile picture will be saved to your gallery automatically like this. And then now you can use it on your social media or maybe YouTube or anywhere that you like. And but take a note, for the free versions of this app will include a small watermark like this, but I think that's okay if you just want to try it out. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can easily create a free cartoon style profile photo using ToonApp. It's simple, fast, and doesn't need any editing skills. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit a like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!